Mirabook tutorial video, application startup. You can check all the applications installed on your smartphone by clicking the icon at the bottom left of the screen. Double-click to start the applications just as you would do on a computer. Use the F9 and F10 keys to adjust the speaker volume on your Mirabook. You can adjust the volume for different purposes, such as content or ringtones. Let's use Excel as an example, a frequently used business tool. You can review your documents and make changes to them just like you do on a computer. Data is saved to the location you set on your smartphone. Samsung's Galaxy Dex Mode will automatically be displayed in full screen. Huawei's PC Mode will also display in full screen automatically. In order to use the screen widely with other smartphones, please place your smartphones horizontally. For more details on screen settings, please check the Mirabook tutorial, How to Connect. To deactivate full screen mode, please press the Escape key or press the square button at the top of the window. This is only compatible with Galaxy's Dex Mode. Mirabook's Sleep Mode is linked to your smartphone. The smartphone is used to start up the system. Laptops? No, I have Mirabook.